High school is one of the most formative portions of a student's life. Many students will be finding new experiences, meeting new people, trying new things, and taking new classes. High school is also a stressful time for many as they begin to think about their future and what they want to do after graduating. As students begin to fill their schedules up with upper-level classes and extracurricular activities, they can become increasingly stressed. Today we'll discuss ways you can manage and control this stress. Before we jump into it, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed. And make sure to check out our other TenneyTube video here where we discuss why you should consider tutoring. A student's life is busy, and it's all too common to hear about students not even recognizing the signs of stress. On top of this, these feelings can be mixed up with feelings of puberty and hormonal changes. Recognizing the behavioral changes in yourself or in other students is important for managing the stress caused by school and keeping it under control. Some of the signs of high school stress include feelings of anxiety or depression, forgetfulness, sleeping too much or too little, and stomach aches or headaches. A study done by the National Library of Medicine shows that stress can be separated into 3 different categories. These categories are academic, peer, and home stresses, with each of these categories contributing to the overall stress level of a student. Stress is ultimately a natural part of the human body. All humans have stress, and it's actually an important part of fueling our drive to get things done. However, with today's rapidly fast world, stress can easily get out of hand and begin hurting the health of our bodies. Students will begin to experience overstress in high school while they pack their schedules full of classes, homework, and events. This overstress leads to more problems for students and creates a snowball-like effect on students' health and academics. Since high school is also an important formative time for students, overstress can carry over into adulthood. Many students will experience higher levels of stress in their 20s due to learned behaviors and failing to cope with those in high school. That's why it's important to start stress management now. Starting before you're overstressed is important as it will help you keep your stress under control. That isn't to say that these strategies won't work for students already overstressed, but it's important to employ these strategies consistently and on a routine basis to see the effects work. The first strategy is to get 8 hours of sleep. This is paramount as less than 8 hours impacts your ability to concentrate, and more than 10 hours increases your levels of anxiety. Number 2 is to practice breathing exercise. This is a form of relaxation and meditation that has a lower barrier to entry, and it's great to use on the go. Whether you're in class or at home, you can utilize breathing exercise to step away mentally and regain control. Number 4 is to spend 5 minutes organizing your day. This is a very small task that can have a large impact. Oftentimes, planning out your day makes all of the tasks that you need to get done seem more manageable. This is especially useful for students who have a busy life and need to find a balance between school, work, and extracurricular activities. The final tip I want to discuss today is scheduling time to see a therapist. This is a great and effective way to tackle stressors in your life and get catered advice from an expert. In addition, you'll see an increase in your mental health as well. To conclude, stress is an important but also dangerous part of our lives. Learning how to manage and control stress is an important skill all high school students should know. Learning the right strategies allows you to tackle more with less of an impact on your mental and physical health, and can really improve your academic performance as well. Visit the links in the description below to schedule a time with one of our executive functioning coaches to learn how to organize and relieve your academic stress. I'd like to thank you all for tuning into today's episode of TenneyTube. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Be sure to also hit that bell icon to be notified anytime we go live with a new video.